Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart from October of gold, you can see that there is a rise made a high at this particular point, and from there we have seen a profit booking has come in this particular zone, and from there we have seen it has moved in this range. After that it has come up and then now moving in this particular zone. Okay, so what you can say that the price has moved from 1719 of October, made a high of around 1877, now trading at around 1795. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, first of all, foremost thing I tell for a long term investor trader that holding for a long term is very good. Okay, I suggest that yes, for a longer view, the up and downs don't affect, you can hold for a longer view. But for traders, I always say that there should be a price action to follow, because price, that's what tell us about how the movement of commodities happen. Okay, any doubt you have, I've already told you that you can mail me. Okay, but all these things I'm giving you for educational purpose. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart from 2022, that we have seen it has gone to a high of around 1829, and from there it has fallen. Okay, so this particular wheat, what we can expect that after moving from a high of around 1830, it has come down. Okay, and I've already told you that if the price goes above a level of 1831 or 1830.8, then there is a probability it can go and move more upside. Okay, why? Because these levels are already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can say if the price comes up close to a level of 1832, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, but as of now it is trading at around 1795.92. suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, price sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1797, and once if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1798.5. okay, and why this 1798? Then we can see a trend moving an upside. Okay, after this particular red candle, if you can see, we have seen that the trend in upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see yes, probability of going towards 1800, 1802 it can touch, and from there it can go further high to a level of 1807.33. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1810. okay, and once the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1812.20. okay, and 18.12 is already being tested here twice, so chances will be very high. We can see it can go and touch a level of 1816.75. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1820, and which is already tested here, so chances of going high will be very high, and it can go and touch a level of 1825.20. okay, once if it comes close to this level, then we can see a trend for towards upside will change. Upside will move further high to a level of 1828, and from there we can see a level of 1830.73. once the price comes close to 1830, then we can see it can go further high. Can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1838.20. so once 1838.20 is touched, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1843.73. okay, and then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1845, and I've already told you that if the price goes above a level of 1845, then chances will be very high. We can see a level of 10 to $15 of movement, because okay, upside movement, because this is in a price where it has moved for a longer time. okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, you can back test it and you can check it. But if we look at the price downside, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1793.24, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1790.74. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1787.40, or if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1782.81. okay, and this is a particular support, which is if this level breaks, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1774. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see yes, the trend will change from the downside and can touch a level of 1764, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1760. Okay, once the price comes close to 1760, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1757, which is very a strong support, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1751. Okay, once this level cross downside, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 1744 also, and can go further low. Okay, for that, if the price goes below a level of 1744, you can go and check my previous video where I have already explained you where all it can go further low, because the trend will, this particular zone, it will move down. I've already explained you that if the price moves in this particular zone, and if it moves downside then or upside, we can see further movement upside or downside respectively. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.